Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to add all your Instagram following on Threads. Okay, first things first is you want to open up the Threads app. Tap the bottom right profile icon and at the top left, you'll see 2 followers. Tap on that and now tap on following at the very top. This allows you to see the accounts you are currently following. But at the top, you'll see others you followed on Instagram that you are not following on Threads yet. Tap See All here. It will display every account you are following on Instagram but not on Threads. Remember, this shows you every account you are following regardless of whether they have signed up for Threads yet. So what you want to do is to tap Follow to follow an account. You will automatically follow this account when they join Threads. It doesn't necessarily mean they have already joined Threads. It just means that you'll follow them when they do. If you want to follow every account, tap the Follow All button at the bottom. It explains that you'll start following those who are public on Threads, and a request will be sent to private accounts. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now add all your Instagram following on Threads. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.